proud salute at the moment is the police contingent. Following the first contingent and rendering the salute is the first contingent of LYNGKHOI School, led by its commander, Khasi.
Contingent of TodayShillong Secondary School, commanded by Meghalaya. This step is not just a march, it is a declaration of courage and dignity of India's daughters.
Rise as a combined contingents of boys and girls, Bridge English School, led by its commander, Iba Donlang Wanya. Presbyterian College under the command of Lady Sunday Contingent.
Now the rhythmic grace of our young women fills the ground. It's the girls' contingent of Rakhe Presbyterian Secondary School, guided by Jing. Saluting guys is the boys' contingent of Rakhe Presbyterian Secondary School, led by Mawshynrut.
Present the salute is the boys' contingent of Don Bosco Lakeshore School, led by its commander, Rakhe Mawshynrut.
And a sparkle of elegance, Rising High Secondary School girls contingent under the able leadership of LYNGKHOI.
Stepping forward to saluting place, to offer the salute is the boys' contingent of Mass Academy Secondary School, led by its commander, Dr. Khuborkhasi. Approaching towards the saluting base to take the salute is the girls' contingent of Mass Academy School, led by its commander, Rakhe.
Of Living Spring Secondary School follows its stately formation, commanded by one LYNGKHOI. Bringing this majestic procession to a close, the girls' contingent of Mawshynrut Secondary School under the leadership of jingthuh Mawshynrut. A final salute from the daughters of the soil, carrying the torch of liberty into the horizon.
That is the boys' contingents and the girls' contingent. We also have here the winners' contingents of boys and girls. So first, I would like to announce the winners of the girls' contingent, that is second runners-up, third in place. We have the girls' contingent of secondary section of Indipendent Presbyterian High Secondary School. Presbyterian High Secondary School. First runners-up, that is the second position of the winner of the girls' contingent march past, that is the girls' contingent of Memorial School. Memorial School, please come running for your prize. Girls' contingent, applause. So, RG Movin. Now I would like to announce the champion from the girls' contingent of 2025 March Past is the girls' contingent of Indipendent Presbyterian Secondary School. Indipendent Presbyterian Secondary School, come running, you are the champion. Girls' contingent. School. Please give them a huge round of applause. So you now getting happy with the jump. Thank you, sir. Is the combined contingents of boys and girls of Living Springs Secondary School. And now may I now request the EE of PWD, Shri Wailing. Runners-up from the boys' contingent is Don Bosco Lakeshore School. Congratulations, Don Bosco. 5 combined contingents of the NSS unit of Indipendent Presbyterian College, performing for the very first time and winning.